everyone, my name is Jeremy Hannes Josephine. Today I'm going to present about South Sumatra. Now I'm going to share some proverbs from South Sumatra. Jangan kecean ke bawah pancing, agak kebadas lanjut teguling. It means don't be so stinging and helpless. There will be sometimes you need others. And here is the picture of South Sumatra map. And here is the capital city of South Sumatra. It is Palembang. And here is the regional profile. Local language Palembang. Tribe Palembang, Komering, Rawas, Pasema, Ogan, Kubu, Bumai. Semendo, Lintang. Religion Muslim, Christian, Catholic, Buddha, and Hindu. Local dance Tambai dance, Putri Bekusek dance. And the hero is Sultan Mahmud Badaruddin. And folk song is Dek Sangke, Gending, Sriwijaya, Kabile-bile, and Tori Tanggai. And here is the picture of the costume home named House Limas. And here is the picture of the traditional clothes. Name is ASEAN Gede. And the traditional weapons is spear. Here is the picture of Dek Sangke lyrics. Here is the picture of the religion. Thank you for your attention. Bye.